Hey guys, welcome to STEMtopoly.
This will be our first video in our new series, Science at Home, where we do science experiments using everyday materials found in your home.
And in today's experiment, we'll be fishing for ice. For this experiment, we're going to need a container filled with water, salt,
String or thread, and ice.
We're going to start by pouring our ice cubes into our water-filled container, which is going to act as our pond. And we're each going to pick up a thread that we have prepared, and we are going to use these as our fishing rods. To fish, we're just going to touch the end of the thread to an ice cube and try to pick it up.
It's not working, so how about let's try using some salt. First, place your string flat on an ice cube that you would like to pick up.
Then, drop some salt right where the thread touches the ice cube.
Wait a few seconds, and then lift it up. If you would like to hook multiple ice cubes at the same time, place your string across all of them.
All you have to do is sprinkle some salt where each ice cube meets the string.
Wait for a few seconds. And then lift.
So, why does this happen?
We all know that water is the liquid form of ice, and water at 0 degrees Celsius, or its freezing point, turns into ice.
So when we add the salt to our ice cube, the part of the ice cube that's touching the salt melts back into water.
After the salt disperses, the part that melted refreezes.
This traps our string inside, so when we lift the string, the ice cube comes with it, and this allows us to fish for ice. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to learn more about this experiment,
Click the link down in the description, and we'll see you in the next one.